The 500 a day AI promise. Is it real? Have you ever seen those wild claims online? Make thousands a day with no effort. It sounds too good to be true. And usually it is. But lean in close for this one. Today, we're talking about something different. Using artificial intelligence to build a real, sustainable income. A goal of 500 a day. It sounds big. It might feel a little intimidating. In 2025, this is not a fantasy. It's achievable for regular people. You do not need to be a tech wizard or have a computer science degree, or a pile of cash. You need a willingness to learn a few simple steps. Be open to new tools. These tools make your life easier and faster. Think of AI as your new assistant, working 24/7. This essay is your guide. I will break down 3 simple, proven methods. You might be wondering, why now? What's so special about 2025? We have reached a perfect storm of opportunity. 5 years ago, AI was complex, expensive, and locked in labs. Today, that has all changed. Powerful AI tools are available to everyone. Many are cheap, some are free. This has leveled the playing field. Like the early internet, early adopters reaped the biggest rewards. This is your moment. AI can write articles, design graphics, edit videos, even write code. You can offer high-value services without years of training. Small businesses need online marketing, website content, and emails. But they're too busy. That's where you come in. You can be the bridge. With AI, draft 5 or 10 pieces in the time it used to take one. Your role, editor, director, human touch. This efficiency is your superpower. AI does the heavy lifting so you work faster. Faster work, more clients. More clients, more income. That's why 500 day is achievable. You're leveraging tech to multiply your efforts. The tools are ready, the clients are waiting. 2025 is your year. Our first method is one of the easiest to start. The AI content creator. You use AI to write for businesses, blog posts, product descriptions, social updates, email newsletters. Many struggle with writing, hate it, or aren't great at it. You solve that pain as their go-to writer, powered by AI. Traditional writers may take a week. With AI as co-writer, you can deliver in a single day. Generate a first draft in minutes, then polish, fact-check, match brand voice, and add the human touch. That combo wins. Produce high-quality content at scale. Step 1. Pick a niche. Coffee shops, fitness trainers, real estate. Step 2. Learn one AI writing tool. Step 3. Create 3 samples, a sample blog post and 2 social posts. Step 4. Put samples in a simple portfolio. Step 5. Find clients. Upwork, Fiverr, local groups. Step 6. Deliver amazing work fast. Example, 10 posts for a bakery at $150. 2 hours work. 3 clients, so $450. 1 more small job, so $500 plus. Method 2. The AI-powered micro-course seller. Create a small product once, sell it many times. A short, focused guide or micro-course solving one specific problem. People are busy. They'll pay for fast solutions. Use AI to outline, script lessons, create a workbook, and draft marketing emails. Month-long work in a weekend. It scales. The internet becomes your 24/7 sales team. Build a library that sells daily, even while you sleep. Find a small, painful problem. Example topics. Compelling LinkedIn profile. Better product photos with a phone. Use AI to create, then package as a short video or a beautiful PDF. List on Gumroad Teachable. They handle payments. Price at $25.20 buyers, so $500. Tools. AI Writer, Canva, Gumroad. You can create your first product this week. Our third method is for those who like to think bigger. Agency Light. No fancy office. No dozen employees. It's you as project manager, using AI to deliver a complete package. Instead of just writing, offer full social management. Instead of one video, offer a monthly short-form video service. You're a one-stop shop. AI is your secret production team. Clients pay for finished results and will pay a premium. Profit, price minus delivery cost. AI slashes time and cost, boosting margins. Example, $500 for 10 short videos this month. AI voiceovers and captions, ready for social. Pitch restaurants, gyms. Show examples. Get hired. Use AI to script, voice and edit in hours. Deliver same day. $500 from one client in one day. Master a few tools. Descript, CapCut, 11 Labs, Canva AI, and package your skills into an irresistible offer. You've chosen a method and practiced. Now, finding clients. How do you get someone to pay you? Show, don't just tell. Samples are critical. Even a simple folder is your most powerful marketing tool. Goal 1 is not 500s, it's one client. Offer a low-risk trial. Say, I'd love to show you what I can do. One free social post, start close to home. Your local network is a gold mine. Coffee shops, dentists, realtors. Many need help online. Join niche communities. Post helpful comments. Share examples. Use Upwork and Fiverr, but be proactive. Daily. 30 minutes searching, 30 minutes sending 3 to 5 personalized messages. Introduce yourself. Show a relevant sample. Offer your trial. Let's talk about money. Pricing to hit $500 a day can feel awkward. The biggest mistake is pricing too low. You're not selling hours, you're selling outcomes. AI lets you deliver faster, so price the value, not the time. High volume, 5 clients, x $100 small packages. Mid-tier, 2 clients, x $250, email sequence, promo video. High value, 1 client, x $500, agency light package. Early jobs at $5,100 are fine. Collect reviews, then raise rates with proof. Sell packages, not hours. Position mid-market. Emphasize speed and quality. State price and deliverables clearly. Confidence in your pricing is contagious. Believe your value, and structure offers to meet your $500 day goal. You will hit bumps. Everyone does. Know the traps and avoid them. Don't copy-paste AI. Be the final editor. Read and fact-check everything. Ensure the tone fits. Your human touch is quality control. Saying yes to everything leads to burnout. Set boundaries. Use templates, checklists, and work hours. Work smarter, not just harder. Avoid the low-pay trap. After 3 to 5 projects and testimonials, raise your rates for new clients. Justify with your growing portfolio. Be crystal clear. Deliverables, revisions, payment terms. Ask for a 50% deposit on larger projects. Professionalism prevents headaches. AI should give you more freedom, not chain you to your desk. We covered the 2025 AI opportunity and 3 beginner-friendly methods. AI content creator, micro courses, and agency light. You have the blueprint and the map. Feeling overwhelmed? Stop. Breathe. You don't have to do everything, just one thing. Pick one method, take one tiny action, write one sample blog, brainstorm 3 micro course problems, or watch a 5-minute AI editing tutorial. Direction beats size, momentum creates results. Consistency is more important than intensity. This isn't get rich quick, it's get to work smart. The tools are at your fingertips, clients are waiting. You can build freedom and control your time. Do not let fear hold you back. Start today, start small, and keep going. I am cheering for you.